Hello, welcome. My name is Amber and this is my channel, Foxglove's Handiwork. I have been doing a series called Stitching Something and today is day 15. I've been stitching something each day, and often it's been a Christmas craft or some stitching I've been meaning to get to, and so it's nice to have an excuse to okay, I have a reason to get to this. Today's video is going to be a little Christmas ornament, and I was thinking of making a little mitten. I have some leftover sweater scraps from a project I did where I upcycled some old sweaters and made regular mittens out of them. And I thought these scraps would be perfect for making miniature mittens for the Christmas tree. So I have this white, kind of cream colored from a sweater. I thought putting a little red decal on there would be super sweet. So I'm gonna stitch them up and make some Christmas ornaments. So join me. It's a very gray day today. So I'm not in my usual crafting spot. I wanted to make sure I can get enough light so you can see what I'm doing. So that's why I'm in this spot. So my thinking is, even though this is super long, then this could fold over to make the cuff. Oh, except that doesn't look like a mitten. Stitched up the side, and I'm debating if I should just stitch the curve or cut it out first. Just saying it out loud will help me to make my decision. Does that ever happen to you? I'm gonna cut it out first. Here we go. Oh, it's so cute. This bump that's happening, and I think it's because that's where I cut, so that's the fold. So I think I'm gonna stitch a little bit more to tuck that in. I decided to cut in on a little bit of the edges so that it gives it a more mitten look, which does mean I have to do a little more stitching, but that's how you learn. That's how you learn, folks. Mickey. Hi, Peanut. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Good. Oh, hi. Which way am I to? Here's a thumb. A teeny tiny thumb. Okay, I think I'm going to put the thumb kind of on the side that's already a little funky. Or maybe it needs to go on that side. Strangest pair of mittens I've probably... Okay. I'm gonna make another one. This has been a good practice. Well, it's good practice, right? Oh, a little mitten. It's kind of, it's not what I had pictured in my mind. Sometimes you make things and you just gotta laugh. Okay, she's a good start. She's a little funky. I'm going to try again, and I'm just gonna do 2 pieces. We're gonna try again. Why is that so funny? Okay, I used the thumb from the other project. And it's so perpendicular. I'm liking the look of the mitten better. So I think I'm gonna just do some stitching to get that, coax that up. So here is the little mitten. It is just so darn cute. I'm really pleased with my second try out. It was certainly a journey of figuring out what worked. I ultimately changed the little design here. It just got too complicated, so I cut it out, used some tweezers to pick up the little threads. Went with a simpler design, and it is just so stinkin' charming. A sweet little addition to my Christmas tree. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot. And also, let me know down in the comments, have you made any Christmas ornaments this season? And if so, what? It's been really wonderful to hear and connect with you guys down in the comments. So let me know what you are up to, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.